So we cover today this drawing, okay, with layer. Suppose this one is orthography projection. Okay, suppose between two distances means the center distance is 130. Suppose this point to that point, this diameter is 100. This radius is also 50, means diameter is 100. This distance is 60, and this one is 15, and this one also 100. Okay, this one is 40. So with respect to this section A, this one is section A drawing, a hatch portion given here where material is assigned. Okay, and this one is 25 and this one is 65, and this is the R5. Okay, so first go to the AutoCAD and then go to the layer. Okay, so we can layer. So suppose these four icons. So first this one, this is the new layer icon. So first here line, enter, next C line, center line. Okay, enter, give name as per your requirement. Okay, next is suppose hidden line, H line. Okay, enter, next is dimension, enter, next is hatch. Okay, hatch. Next is P line, projection line. Okay, another projection line is required. Okay, so P line, and next is suppose B line, boundary line. Okay, so now give color here. Suppose this one is the one color. Okay, this one is another color, and here this one is another color. Okay, next this one is another color. Choose here black background. Just with respect to black background, you just put it your color as per the requirement. Okay, so suppose this one is another color, and next is boundary line, suppose this one is green. Okay, next sorry, next is C line. Suppose C line, just click here and here load, and then suppose this one is C line, center. Okay, then okay, and click here, then okay. So now continuous to center, change. Okay, next here suppose hidden line, click here, load, and then this one is hidden line. Okay, so now this one is hidden. Okay, and click here, then okay. So now this one is hidden. Okay, changes as hidden. And then boundary line thickness is much more is required. Okay, so line weight, underline weight, there are default. So suppose select this one, and here select this one. So now this one is 0.8. So now this one is 0.8. Okay, so just close it, and then choose here center line. Okay, choose here center line, and then suppose click here. Okay, and then suppose give it here, suppose 130. So now this one is 130, and then suppose click here line, choose line, and then suppose give it here suppose here 50. So now this one is 50. Also select here. So now this one also 50, and click here. Suppose this one is a intersection quadrant, on quadrant here. Okay, so suppose click here and click here. So now this one is quadrant. Escape it. If quadrant is on, so here show this quadrant, this quadrant, this quadrant, and every 90-degree angle this one is show. Okay, so suppose click here and click here. So now this one is cover. Okay, then this one is trim, because in the drawing there are no other half circle. Okay, so now suppose just trim it. This one is trim, or go to the modify here, trim. Okay, so suppose select this one and select that one. So now this one is trim. Then circle, suppose select this one and circle. Suppose 20 is the radius, so 40 is the diameter, and then suppose click here. So now this one is 30. Okay, this one is 30. Up to that, this one is 7.5, and suppose click here. Okay, so now this one is 7.5. Next, trim it, trim. Suppose select this one. So now this one is trim, and then mirror it. Okay, how to mirror? Suppose modify here, mirror. Suppose select this one and select that one. Right click and select this point and select that point. Erase source object, no. So now this one is mirror. Okay, then also mirror it. Suppose select this one, this one, this one, and that one. Right click. Okay, so now this one is mirror. Okay, clear. Then trim. Select this one, and this one, also this one. So now this one is trim. Okay. Then in case of that circle, this one is projection of this 54. So total diameter is 54, so radius is 27, so another circle is required. Okay, so now just click here, this from this center, so 27 is the radius. Then choose here projection line. So projection line, just click here. Okay, so that is a projection line, and suppose from this to perpendicular on here should. So now this one is perpendicular on, then here, okay, this one is perpendicular, also select this to that. Okay, also here select this to that, also here select this to that, and also here select this to that. Okay, so now select this one up to that. Okay, next is suppose line, select this one, and then here choose line. Okay, choose line here. Next, just from this point, this one is 65. Okay, this one is 65, also from this one also 65. Now you can offset it. Offset is suppose from this point to that point is the distance, how much? Okay, just calculate it. Total diameter is 100, this one is 23, 54 means 27. Okay, so 54 means this one is 100, 100 minus 54, so that is the 54 is the angle. So next, this one is, that is the 27 is the diameter. Okay, 27 is the radius. So now you can offset it, or you can select this one, suppose 65 also. Okay, and select this one, so this one up to that, or you can offset means 100 minus 54, so that is the 46. Okay, 100 minus 54, that is the 46, so this one is offset is 23. Okay, so you can go to the modify offset here, suppose give it 23, and select this one and select that one, so that is also you can select offset also. Okay, or you can select by line. So now this one is up to that. Then calculate this portion. So this one is projection of this 40. Okay, so total is 54, so this one is 40, so from this to this distance is how much? So 54 minus 40 by 2, so total distance is 14. 14 by say 2 means this one is 7 and this one also 7, and this distance already given, this one is 10 depth. Okay, so now here go to line, suppose select this one, so this one is 7, and this one is 10, and this one also 40, and this one also 10, and this one is click here. Okay, so now suppose click line, so this one is 25, and select this one. Okay, so now this one is joining here. Okay, then put it radius here. How to go to the modify, fillet. Okay, go to the modify here, fillet. So fillet, suppose this one is the radius. Okay, go to the radius and fillet radius. Suppose give it fillet radius here 5. Okay, so that is the 5. So select this one and select that one. So now this one is 5. Okay, then choose line from here also and choose line from here also, and these two line are hidden line. Okay, so just change this one and then go to the line. So now this one is hidden. Okay, and also this one is hidden. Okay, this is the hidden line. And then create one line, create one line from here. Suppose this one is projection line, so you can convert to the projection line to normal line. So modify match property, how to convert layer after drawing. Okay, so go to modify match property, suppose select this one, so select this one. So now this line convert to the line property. Okay, this projection line. Okay, so now chamfer it. Okay, so modify, go to the chamfer. This one is distance. Okay, there have a chamfer distance which is 2 into 45. This one given already. Okay, so chamfer, modify, go to the chamfer, and then go to the not distance, go to the angle. Okay, so angle means suppose 2 enter and then 45 enter. Okay, so suppose select this one and select that one, and also choose here, just give it line here, and then this to that. Okay, then modify here chamfer, select this one and select that one. Okay, then line it, suppose select this one and select this one, so now this one is line, and here select this one and this one, so this one also line, joining by line. Okay, next hatch, suppose choose here hatch, then go to the draw, here hatch, just click here. Okay, and click here and click here, so now select this one, so now this is the hatch. If it is suppose 2, so now this one is increase. Okay, so now this one is right. Clear? And then give it dimension, so just choose here dimension, then dimension here, suppose this one is dimension, linear distance, just click here and click here, so now this is the dimension. Also here radius, so now this one is the radius. Also here suppose diameter, so now this is the diameter. Next also here select this one, select that one, so now this is the dimension. Also here select the dimension, so now this is the dimension. Here now this is the radius, so now this one is the radius 27. Okay, next here suppose give it projection line, here projection line, click one line from here. Okay, and then create one, suppose select this line and create one another circle which is passing from this line, and then trim it, suppose select this one, this one. Okay, this is not required. Okay, so now up to that. Okay, so that is projection line. By projection line you can create. Then also linear, suppose select this one. Oh, just convert to the dimension, and then linear, suppose select this one, so this one, this is the dimension. Here also select this one, so this is the dimension. Also select this one, so that is the dimension. Also select here this point to that point, so now this one is 10. And here radius, suppose select this one, so that is the radius. Here 2 into 45, this one is written by multi-leader. Okay, so suppose select this one of ortho mode, just click it here, then write 2 into here 45. 2 into 45 is the angle, and here give degree, suppose here give degree, and suppose select this to total and give it here suppose 5. Okay, and placed here, so now this one is 5. Okay, and how to increase this arrow mark, go to the format, here multi-data style, then go to the modify, and here suppose this one is 5. Okay, and then arrow size will be increased. Okay, so now this one is arrow size will be increased. So that is the ultimate drawing. If you off here projection line layer, so now original drawing you can see. Okay, so original drawing you can see as per your requirement. And another requirement is, suppose here center line, suppose choose center line, and suppose this one is a center line on ortho mode, so now this one is center line, and you can see here, just select this center line, there are 3 points. Okay, so just this stage with this blue color point. Okay, one line, only one line, this one is created. Okay, not create any another center line. Okay, so that is the blue colors dot, means you can stage by this blue color drawing. Okay, so this is the main thing. Okay, so that you can create this type of drawing Okay, just look at the here. Okay, and you can retain here section AA by, suppose this one is text, here multi-line text, just click it here. This one is section AA. Okay, you can retain here, and suppose select this one is 2.5, and suppose go to here 10. Okay, so now this one is section AA, and you can retain here also by dimension multi-letter style. Just select this one, okay, and write it here A, and also select this A, and this one is 5, enter. Okay, and write it here. You can copy this one, modify, copy. Okay, select this one, right click, and now copy up to that. Okay, so now this one is section A written here. Okay, so that is the main thing. You can drawing this type of drawing using layer. Okay, so okay, thank you everyone, practice it.